Welcome to a quick guide on hiding your WhatsApp status from specific contacts on WhatsApp. Web on PC with the latest update. First, open WhatsApp web in your browser and scan the QR code with your phone to log in. You'll see all your chats displayed on the left and your status updates on the top bar. This setup mirrors your phone, but you'll manage privacy right from the web interface. Click the gear icon to open settings. This gear is your gateway to customization, so give it a tap or click to reveal the privacy options that control what others can see about you. You're aiming for a more selective sharing approach, so take a moment to navigate carefully. Next, select Privacy. Here you'll find several privacy-related choices. Your goal is to adjust who can view your status, so look for the status option within Privacy and click it to proceed. The interface will present you with a few visibility choices, but you're focusing on the custom option that lets you tailor who sees your updates. From the status screen, choose My Contacts Except. This option unlocks a list-based control, allowing you to exclude specific people from seeing your status updates. You'll now be prompted to select the contacts you want to exclude. Scroll through your contacts and click on each name to add them to the exclusion list. Once you've chosen everyone you want to hide from, confirm your selections. This confirmation applies a new privacy rule to your status, so anyone you excluded won't be able to view your future status updates on WhatsApp web. To make sure the change sticks, you can revisit the privacy and status settings at any time. If you ever want to adjust who's excluded, return here, modify the selection, and confirm again. It's a simple switch that can help you manage who sees your activity without affecting other privacy features. That's all there is to it. A few taps to refine who can see your status on WhatsApp web on PC using the new update. With these steps, you gain finer control over your visibility, keeping certain contacts in the dark while you share your moments with everyone else.